Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the console model and updating system firmware. This ensures performance options appear. Once done, plug the console into an HDMI 2. One port if available so higher frame rates are supported. Make sure the TV is set to game mode and the display supports the refresh rate you want. Now power on the console and sign into your profile. These initial steps reduce input lag and unlock advanced display and performance toggles. You navigate to Settings, then Display or System. Different consoles label it differently, because that's where performance mode lives. Once there, find the Game or Graphics section and look for Performance Mode, Frame Rate Priority, or Resolution options. Select the option that prioritizes frame rate, typically called Performance or 120Hz/60 FPS mode, and confirm. Make sure to adjust resolution scaling, if available, so the console reduces render resolution to keep frame pacing smooth. This trades detail for responsiveness. You finish by launching a game that benefits from higher frame rates and observe responsiveness. If the mode doesn't activate, reboot the console and double-check HDMI cable seating and TV input labeling. Loose connections block higher refresh rates. If the image looks wrong, return to display settings and reset resolution or disable HDR temporarily to diagnose conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip. If the console still refuses
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.